Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine and I'm back with another fancy schmancy video. So today's video is going to be a back to school makeup look because I know almost everyone is going back to school, whether it's elementary school, middle school, high school, college. I'm sure that some of you guys do wear makeup, so I thought this would be a great video to make since the time is coming. So let's get started. Good. The products that I will be using are my Oxy makeup pads, Nude Tude palette from The Balm, my MAC lipstick or my Almay lip gloss, mascara, 2 different types of brushes, a blush brush, and eyeliner. So this look is just going to be a quick, easy, not too much look just for school because you don't want to be wearing all glitzy, glamorous makeup for school. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my face with my Oxy acne pads. You guys can purchase them at Walmart, Target, anywhere that sells facial cleansers. You know what I forgot? A mirror. Can't do makeup with no mirror. I'll let that dry. Now, I don't use foundation only because it breaks out my skin really bad. So I just use like the eye makeup and stuff, and some blush. I'll use a little bit of blush. Okay, now it's time for eyes. So I'm gonna go into my Nude Tude palette with my flat brush. It's kind of flat, somewhat flat. And I'm going to go into the color Sexy. This color right here, it's like a maroon color. And I'm going to take that and put it right in my crease. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Next, I'm going to take the same palette and go into the color Sassy. It's almost gone because it's a really good color, and I just dipped my brush in black. I'm going to put it right here on the top part of my lid. And it just gives it that shimmery look. And I'm also going to put this color Sassy right here in my crease to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. Even though I already got a big forehead, so I don't need any big eyes. So that's it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to move on to the liquid liner. Now I'm just only going to do a wing. I'm actually going to attempt to do a wing. But we'll see how it turns out. Okay, my wings are 2 different sizes. It's probably still uneven, but oh well. Now we're going to take our mascara. Okay, so now I have the mascara on. I'm going to put on some blush with my blush brush. Okay, and the last thing is the lip gloss or lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my matte lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I'm going to put that on. And it smells so good. I'm going to put this lip gloss over it. Just like that. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up like, comment, and subscribe, which, I mean, I already said thumbs up, I already said like. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.